Hello guys, this is Shreyansh and I'll be guiding you through your trading and investment journey. So in this video, I'll talk about the things you shouldn't do as a beginner in crypto trading. So the first point is no FOMO investing. What does FOMO mean? Fear of missing out. So this is a very common feeling, right? You get while investing. Suppose your friend has invested in a coin and then you get a feeling, right? Oh, I should also invest in that coin. Or else you are following any YouTuber or a influencer and he or she is investing in a coin. So you get that urge to invest in that coin. This is what you shouldn't do. What you should do is self-research. Please do your self-research before investing in a coin and getting influenced by any person in the crypto markets. So the second point is don't rely completely on past performances. I know before investing in any coin, you should view the past performance, but what I am saying is don't rely completely on that. There are various factors to which the coin can completely reverse its past performances. Let's just check it out. So this is a coin named Funfair or Fun USDT. So here you can see the pattern as there is a sideways pattern here, and here you can see a hike. Again, moving further, here you can see a sideways pattern and a hike. Moving further, you can see a sideways pattern here too and a hike. And similarly here too. And this is a head and shoulders pattern which it is following. But again, in the future, when you see here you can see a sideways pattern, but now here is a downfall. So it has reversed its past performances and it has shown a downfall. So you can't rely completely on the past performances, but yeah, in some cases you should. So the third point is don't invest larger amounts in a single coin. So there might be cases where you feel a bit bullish about a coin and you feel that, oh, I need to invest in this coin is going to blow up. But none of us are gods, right? We don't know the future. So rather than investing those $100 in a coin, just invest those $50 or $20 or whatever it may be and start splitting the amount which you have in your portfolio. Start investing in different and various coins so that you have a diversified portfolio and you don't make losses. And at the end of the day, you are in a profitable condition. So the fourth point is don't rely on tips. Nowadays, I see many Telegram channels and websites which give tips, right? So buy this and this coin at this level and sell it on this target so you can book this profit. Don't rely on these tips. Do your own research. Don't trust these people. Of course, you can take suggestions about which coin from me or any person who has a bit knowledge about the crypto markets, but don't rely on those levels which people give you. Don't trust these people. It is as simple as that, and you need to do your own research. Self-research is highly important in the investment journey. So the fifth and the last point is no day trading as a beginner. What does it mean? It means taking the trade in a single day. You buy a coin, you sell a coin, and you book the profits. But the reason to it is, I have experienced it too, that you may make a 5-day streak of making profits continuously, but there is going to be a 6th day where you will make losses. There is a good quote like, the money which flows in the market stays in the market. So that's it for this video, and I request you to fit these points in your head. Also, if you feel that any of these were a bit sensible enough, kindly give this video a like or a comment so that I get the response. And thanks for watching.